Hello and welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Oracle DBA online training. So this is an important update for all Oracle professionals and freshers. There are only 2 days left to join our new Oracle DBA training batch starting from this Saturday, that is 10th of January 2026. So if you are serious about building a real Oracle DBA career, not just clearing the interview, then this video is for you. So question is why this video is important. Basically, in this short video, I'll be giving you complete information like who this Oracle DBA training is for and what exactly you'll be learning from this training. The complete syllabus will be discussed and why this program is different from typical Oracle courses that you are uh, maybe you are trying at as alternate options and how you can join before the registration closes. So let's get started with this training and I'll be giving you a complete information throughout this entire session. Within like 15 to 10 to 15 minutes of time frame, I'll be giving the complete overview of the syllabus as well as that entire training program. Okay. So if you have any question related to the training, you can put the details in the comments. I'll be providing the answer to the same. And also, I'll be sharing the links how you can join the training. So the complete information will be given to you. Okay. Before I jump into this, if you are a new YouTuber, if you have not seen more videos previously, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can also take a membership on our YouTube channel. So you can get exclusive members contents that you can see on the screen, like some of those more than 100 videos are there that you can take the benefit of it. So let's get started with this. Our website links are Oracle DBA online training. From there you can register for the courses. So let's get started with this today's agenda, that is training detail. So as I mentioned, like initially there are only 2 days left, though the announcements are already made a week back, and I have already shared some of the details on my LinkedIn profile. If you are following our LinkedIn, I am regularly posting the new contents there, informing the upcoming batch announcements and all those things. And along with that, so we are left with only 2 days to join. I thought of making the complete information because there are some queries are raised with respect to our training. So what are the topics that will be covered in this training? So I thought giving the complete information. So basically I mentioned like who should join this training, that IT professionals, any freshers, or if you are a developer or system administrator. So any one of, either you're working as an IT professional with advanced DBA training, or like you're looking for advanced DBA training. Maybe you are working as a developer, want to switch into a DBA role, or if you are a fresher who wants to build a career in Oracle DBA. So for every individuals, this course is designed from the scratch. That means you can get the knowledge from the basics. Okay. So when I'll be discussing the syllabus there, you'll see the more information on this. So let's jump into the syllabus section, like what are the topics that we are covering from this training. As I mentioned, this training program will be for almost like 4 to 5 months. I'm taking one extra month here. Basically, total 4 months I'm targeting. Within the 4 to 5 months, I'll be covering this session. The best part about this training program, um, it will be every Saturday and Sunday, like morning batch, so you can get the knowledge at the very uh, from the very scratch. Okay, like in the module number 1, I'll be covering the Linux administration for Oracle DBA. Like if you don't know anything about Oracle, so at the beginning of the training you'll be getting the knowledge about the Linux commands, because that's a foundation, and most of the database Oracle databases are running on the Linux platform. So module number 1 will cover that. Then after that, I'll be starting with architecture, that is a foundation for training. There you'll be learning about the Oracle database architecture, including the multi-tenant architecture, which covers CDB, PDB, and then learning the memory structure, background process, physical logical structure, control file, redo log file. Almost all the detailed information needed for any anyone to understand how Oracle works internally. That will be the goal of this module. There you'll be learning the architecture part about the Oracle database. So once you learn the Oracle database architecture, then we'll move to the software installation part. So the goal of this module will be to install, configure Oracle software so that you will be ready for database administrative task down the line. Okay, so the first we'll be building a software. I mean, we'll be building a virtual environment where you can install this software and create the database, and what are the prerequisites you need to follow. So all those things we'll be covering here. After that, we'll be covering the database creation. There you'll be learning CDB and PDB related database creation. And the best part about this module, like, we are also covering the silent installation of database and database creation. Along with that, I'll be also giving the information on network database connectivity, and how you can, start, stop, plug, unplug, clone the pluggable database. So everything will be covered here in the module number 4. Then comes the core section of database administration, where managing the database instance will come. So once you have a database, you need to know how to start, shut down the database, or what are the parameter files, alert logs, data dictionary views, SQLs. Okay, so these things will be covered under the module number 5. Then the next step will be storage management, as well as a user management, database security. There you'll be learning the table space management, then how you can resize the data file, dropping the table space, creation of the users, password policies, roles, profiles. Okay, redo log configuration, archive log configuration. So those things will be covered here. And one more thing I have introduced in this syllabus is that how you can perform the database auditing operations and unified auditing. Those things are also covered. Then module number 7 is basically focused more on the control file, redo log files, and the archive log file management part. Okay, so these are some of the core section of Oracle data file or the storage management section, that there you'll be focusing on a different things. Post that, you'll be learning how the backup and recovery works in Oracle database. So there we have total like 6 to 7 sessions dedicated on backup and recovery fundamentals. Then right from the fundamentals to managing the backup using the RMAN, taking the full backup, incremental backup, recovering the database, cloning the database, how you can recover control file, SV file, or database files, right? And then restoration of archive logs. So everything will be covered here. Then after that, we are also covering the EXPDP and MPDP, that is logical backup of database, and some of the other stuffs related to the backup and recovery. So once you are comfortable with backup and recovery, then we'll be moving to the next module, that is Oracle Data Guard Administration. There I'll be covering the concepts of data guard, like architecture, and how you can build the new standby, then how to failover, then snapshot standby, data guard broker, log troubleshooting, I mean lag troubleshooting, active data guard awareness, troubleshooting case study. So in the module number 9, we are covering purely the data guard part. And then post that, we are moving to the database patching, where you'll be learning how to, what are the prerequisites you need to know, how you can download the patch from Oracle website, and how you can apply the patch. There are different options available to do the patching, and what are the common issues faced by the DBAs during the patching. So those things we are covering under the post that. We are covering the database upgrade part. There are tools, different options are available to upgrade the database. The main focus should be auto upgrade method. Okay, and post that, we are also covering the module number 12, where you'll be learning Oracle RAC administration, where we are covering a detailed session on a real application cluster. Like, most of the DBAs want to learn Oracle RAC. Probably they are already aware about the single instance database, but they haven't worked on the RAC. So this is the right platform to learn the real application cluster training. I mean, you'll be learning from the architecture to the deployment, as well as the configuration, how you can add or delete the instances, how you can manage the RAC environment. So everything related to RAC will be covered here, including the patching, troubleshooting, and backup recovery, upgrade, everything. Okay, like we'll be showing how to upgrade the RAC environment also. Then post that, I'll be covering Oracle performance tuning. There, I'll be giving the complete information related to a performance tuning methodologies, important sequels, how you can check the explain plan for query, managing the memory and tuning the memory of the database, real world incident analysis, how you can, troubleshoot the slow performing queries, those things. After that, in the module number 14, I'll be giving some of the advanced Oracle technologies such as Oracle GoldenGate. There you'll be covering the two different architectures related to GoldenGate. That's microservices architecture, one of the key aspects required by all the DBAs nowadays, and then Oracle Classic architecture for GoldenGate. So you'll be learning how to. First we'll go through the architectural part, then the installation of the software, then configuring the unidirectional bidirectional data replication. And finally, we have the final module, that is Oracle Enterprise Manager for OEM. That's a monitoring tool, centralized database management tool. So right from the configuration to the installation, adding the host, monitoring and alerts and performance hubs, like everything will be covered in this module. So post that, there are some additional topics I'm touching in this entire new training program, that is Oracle DBA Advanced Training. There, I'll be covering some of the new technology which is required by all the DBAs, like OCI, Oracle Cloud Awareness, where I'll be giving a complete information about the daily use cases of Oracle Cloud, how to work on the OCI database systems, lift and shift overview, what are the DR strategies on the cloud. Along with that, I'll be also giving the information on the database security and compliance, like how you can handle TD, unified auditing, and database hardening checklist, and some of the automation options like cell scripting basics, and including the AI prompting for Oracle DBA, like how you can deal with real-time scenarios to overcome the situation using the AI prompt. Okay, so prompt engineering is also additional thing I haven't mentioned here, but maybe I'll cover that also. And some of the real world case studies, like DRs, like let's say if archive is full, then what you'll do, crash recovery or restoration validation, performance troubleshooting, those things. Now, along with this training program, we will be getting a recorded session of each of the sessions once the training is done. A full interview preparation, question answers will be given, regular assignments will be provided, documentation and scripts will be given on a regular basis. And there will be a dedicated WhatsApp mentorship support. If you're stuck at any point, definitely will help you to overcome that situation. And whatever the software and labs needed for this training, we'll be providing that also. And once you complete the course successfully, you'll be getting course completion certificate. So overall, this is the syllabus of this entire training program. I hope you have understood. If you have any question with respect to syllabus, don't hesitate to ask the question in the comments. You can put the details in the comments. We'll provide that. Okay, so that's what we are covering in this entire training program. I hope you have understood it. And if you have anything, let me know. And coming back to the main point, like how you can enroll for this course. So you just have to simply visit our website, or you can contact us on the given contact number. Okay, you can WhatsApp us. That's a faster way of communication. Once you make the WhatsApp message, just mention for like you're looking for a training program, and I can share you complete information. And if you want to directly enroll for this training, you can visit our website. Links are there in the description of this video. Simply click on the training tab, and there you have the option to enroll for the course. As I mentioned, this course can be registered online. So you can register if you're India-based students, directly register from this link. For overseas student, register from this link. Okay. And once you register for the course, you will be getting a Zoom link for the training program. And if you have any question, any doubts, you can simply click on the WhatsApp button given here, and or you can call me on the given call number. I hope you have understood whatever we have mentioned in this video. And please do subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can take the benefit of membership program. I hope this video has helped you with the complete information about the upcoming training program. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.